How would you want to make a significant sum of money online simply just by watching videos on any device you have right now? This is a very popular strategy for making money online that is also quite simple for beginners. This is also a tactic that will assist everyone in earning money while having fun. Today, I'll show you how to make $30 just by viewing 10 videos and 200 by watching 50 videos. You can of course continue this procedure indefinitely, but the best part about this strategy is that it's 100% free, simple to use, and the websites I'm about to show you are accessible from anywhere in the globe. So make sure to stick around to the end of the video because I'll be showing you the most important tips and tactics with you in the middle. So, hey there, welcome to your Flatter Treasure. I want you to support my channel by giving a big thumbs up below. I post new money making methods every single week. So guys, if you don't want to miss out any future uploads, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I have a new and a fresh strategy to make money online. Also, you'll be one of the first to use it. Now, let's jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. The first thing I would like to do is visit gg2u.org. This website provides numerous options for you to earn money while watching various videos online. As you can see, they have an extremely high rate of 65% to 85%, which is excellent. The best part about this website is that after you sign up, you can get $1 for free. So now I want you to enter your first name, unique email address, username, and password. Now, when you click on the down arrow of the country part, you can see there are people all around the world, so it doesn't matter where you're from. After all, you have finished filling out the information. Simply click the orange button at the bottom right corner of here and you gain here $1. Once you have completed the registration process, you'll be taken to the welcome page where you can learn more about this platform, and it's a highest paying source. As I previously stated, they pay you off to 65 to 85% of your earnings as seen right here. For every 100 coins to collect, you'll receive a $1 credit. To give you some background on this website, you'll get paid coins for each activity you complete. Furthermore, once you have made $1 in this site, you can start cashing out your money into your PayPal account, or you can choose to receive gift cards if you prefer. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to my channel and give it a big thumbs up below. Now, I remember to watch the video until the end for you to know the simple instructions and win a passive income. To go back to a step, after reading the information under welcome page, click on this orange click to continue button right here. After that, you'll be able to access your account. This is your dashboard. As you can see, after you have signed up, you'll notice that they have already given you $1. However, you'll need to earn $7 before you cash out your earnings. So make sure you save up for that by watching videos. As I scroll down, you notice that there are numerous firms and offers to choose from. OfferToro, Gate Media, AD Gem, Personally, along with several more companies are represented, there are all well-known companies that will provide you the exceptional ideas. You can click on any of these companies and complete the offers to earn some money online. I'll give you an example right now. If you click on the Edison Media Company, for example, you'll be taken to a page where you can participate in various offers to earn incentives, surveys, free trials, OP, downloads, and video watching are all choices. To begin earning money by watching videos, simply click this video button. After that, you'll be taken to this website where you'll see the face or to play videos. For every 200 video points earned, you'll receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account. So putting it another way, you earn an average of $2 for every video you watch, which is fantastic. If you scroll down, you can see you have earned video points by completing any of the offers below. You can view food videos, viral videos, or any other videos that you can find interesting or entertaining, and there are numerous videos that you may view and earn money from, and there is no reason to be concerned. Once you have seen the majority of these videos, simply scroll down until you see load more offers and you'll see there are more videos to watch. In order to gain your prizes, click on this orange button right here where it says start earning to see a basic example of what videos to watch. After that, you'll be redirected to this page where you may begin watching videos and earn money online. Now, it's the time to show you a few more strategies to help you the most of your money making online. I need you to go ahead and click on the settings button right here on the video and then select lowest quality setting, which is 240p. By doing so, you'll allow you to watch many videos and channels at the same time. I need you to follow this. You can now choose and view more videos by looking to the right side of this page. This is where you can earn extra money by watching videos for $2 or $3 each to securely obtain the point and convert the point into actual money making. Just make sure you watch all the videos to the end. For the final bonus tip, you may view and watch their other videos by clicking on this arrow button right here, right next to the settings button. For example, when you finish the video watching the last one, you can watch this one right here. Now, as you can see, this website gg2u.org provides you with a variety of videos from which you can earn money. So you make sure that you go and check it out right now and start earning money online right away. And that sums up for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. See you soon.